Welcome back to igcse and my channel. As you all know that it's coming to an end, which is really good. Question number 1. Small sample of decane is placed in oven beaker at the sample of decane wood evaporates. It's not entirely boiled because it has not reached its boiling point yet. Here we would have balanced pipette and thermometer. Here we would have a sugar solution. Here we would have metal conduct electricity means solid. They have electrons are free to move. Brass is an alloy. Let's do calculate the question later. Attractive force between molecules, a weak force formed by covalently bonded molecules. Carbon is graphite conduct electricity and has a covalent structure. 3 plus is, we just need to balance it, which is C, as you can see. Number 1 is wrong because bromide chrome is at the anode. So which leaves us C and D. Okay, so I thought that's wrong because it only works if it's molten. So which leaves us C, 2 and 4. All of the calculated questions will be done later. Don't worry. Statement is correct. It both produces water vapor because it's a hydrogen fuel cells, which will create water, and it does not produce polluting gases, and it produces electricity, so which makes it B. It does not increase the activation energy, so which is C. An exothermic temperature, if temperature decrease, oh, okay, temperature increase. Yeah, pressure decrease, temperature increase. X and Y, pink. Anhydrous, is a pink solid. It's both copper sulfate, a cobalt chloride. It's both cobalt chloride. It's just we have to see which one is. Anhydrous, it is no water, and hydrated is water. And X is heated, turns blue, so which is X would be pink. Okay. The chloride reaction. Fa2 ions reduced to Fa3 ions. F2 plus each lose. Okay, so Fe is chloride ions. We'll come back to it later. Let's do all the easy questions first. Properties of an acid is proton donor, and the pH would be less than 7. Amphoteric oxide is aluminium. Copper chloride, pure copper chloride. We filtrate and evaporate. Which metallics increase from right to left across. Increasing metallic character. From right to left. Oh, there. So it's Atoms are readily electrons in their outer shell. Element D is incorrect. Element Z exists as a no. R and Y, yes. Okay. Which row show the missing headings for the properties? Okay. Melting point, boiling point, and density. The formula is GCl. It's in group 1, cold water. Yes. Transition metal. If it's formed solid compound, it is transition metals. Why noble gas? They all have full outer shells. All metal, they gain electrons and they form ions. They conduct electricity. Extraction of metal. Aluminium is bauxite. Electrolysis. Iron is what is it? Iron is a heating process using carbon and slag is the waste product. Aluminium does not need reduction or corrosion. It has a protective oxide layer. Decomposition of Cu and okay, running gas is giving off. A relight to glowing thing is given off. 2 and 3, I believe. Oh no. Okay. So a brown gas is giving off. The brown gas in here is nitrogen oxide, and glow splint is oxygen. Okay. When the tin is scratched, covering iron the rust. It corrodes first. Harbor process. Yes, number 1. Harbor catalyst vanadium oxide. Vanadium oxide is contact process, I believe. Yeah. This one is contact, so which leaves us with 1 and 2. Or no, 1 and 2. 1 and 2 only. So these two are out. One of the raw materials is reduced emission, steam and methane. No, you get steam is H2O, methane is CH. So then you get no. Harbor is hydrogen and nitrogen. Okay. This one is definitely hydrogen. Like this part is definitely hydrogen. You cannot get wrong. I'm not sure about, okay, let's see. Let's write it out. CH4 plus H2O. There is, you get water and carbon and hydrogen. Oh my god. Okay, that's strange. Okay. Raw material is used in the contact process. Contact is created with use carbon. Oh, air, because you can't exclusively get carbon or oxygen, that'd be expensive. Okay. Which substance is removed by the lime? Okay. This one is a base, so it removes sulfuric acid. What is substance Q? Okay. 2, if it's 2 carbon, then 8 minus 2 would be a 6. 6, it decolorized aqueous. Okay, that'd be butane then. Next. Did we miss a question? Okay, no. What could reduce sodas fuel Y? What could X and Y be? The same thing. Only single covalent bond. Propane. Chloroalkynes. Alkyne, a gaseous product. It makes HCl. I'm not sure if it's gaseous product. Okay. So B is wrong. The chlorine atom and chlorine ethane is covalent bonded. I think it's added by addition. Oh wait, no. Addition is when you. Oh shit. Oh wait, no, that's cracking. Addition is when you. Addition reaction of organic chemistry. Okay, 2 or more combines. Oh yeah, it only makes one product, so that could it be addition? Oh shit. Okay, sorry. It's monomer. This one is addition because it only makes one product. Ethanoic acid is correct. Salt and water turns red limas blue. Reacts with magnesium to produce a salt and a hydrogen. Which pair of compound is it made from? Ew. Okay, so we know this part is CHOH. COO. Yep. Now let's come back to all the quizzes that we have missed, which is the calculation part and one about oxidation state. Okay. So far we got 4 questions wrong. Let's try to get all the rest of questions right. So we would ensure a perfect good A star or a 9 if it's GCSE. Okay, calculation. Maximum mass of iron can be made from. So you know that's 3 moles. 3. So this would give 3 moles of this. I hate moles question with all my heart, so ew. Let's erase this and let's calculate this one. Okay. The reaction is exothermic, so we know it's gotta be negative, so it's gotta be either A or B. So now we have to calculate. Okay, CH. This one times how many in this one? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That one times 6. Okay. Times 6. 2, 4, 6, 0. That's a 4. So we weren't mistaken, that's a 9. Okay. And CC is that plus 350. 350. Let me get a piece of paper out. It'll be 2. And then we plus 2. And that plus give us 3, 5, 0. And then to that one, which is 5 of CH. So times 5 plus 350 plus 340. So 2, 0. And that plus 340. Okay, and that minus 3050. Right now. Be negative. Yes! We got that correct. Amazing. Maximum mass of iron can be made of probably the closest one. Just have the oxidation state and we are good to go. Okay, here it is. Reducing agent, which makes it oxidize, which makes it add another electrons. Fe each lose an electron. If we say this is correct, then which makes 2 and 4. Okay, let's see. No, shit. Okay. 4 is correct. It is reduced to Cl minus iron, which does not access. Not exactly, because if it's acts as a reducing agent, it will get oxidized, which makes it lose oxygen. Which makes it lose electron. So that one is a miss. But we have ended the quiz with 88% and only 5 questions wrong. Thank you so much for being here today. I hope you guys will do well in your next exam. And we